Hello again, guys. Today we're going to be replacing these reverse light bulbs with LEDs. These are the brand I got from ECS Tuning. Check them out. They have a lot of good parts for these cars, guys. So we're going to go ahead and remove this cover. Simply folds open, and then we have access to the housing that holds all the light bulbs. So what you need to do is grab right here and pinch in, squeeze in, and pull out towards you. You might need to maneuver it a little bit. And there we have it. So the bulb we need to replace is this one right here. So simply push in and turn to the left like that, and it will release. Set that aside. Now we can go ahead and take our new LED bulb out of the package here. Just be careful with it. Here's what it looks like up close. It looks like it has two little diodes inside there. I know it's hard to see. It looks like those are cooling fins to keep it cool. So go ahead and insert it the same way. Make sure you line up those two little tabs in the slots here, like that, and then push down and turn to the right. Like that. Okay. And then all you need to do is put this back into the position here. Just kind of maneuver it underneath that trunk liner, and all you have to do really is squeeze these in and push it in to position. It'll snap in like so. As you can see, it's seated in there. Now we can go ahead and try it out. Okay guys, that's with the new LED light illuminated, and there's the old style. So you can tell it is much brighter. You have that brighter white light. So go ahead and get this other one installed, and then hopefully it's a lot brighter at nighttime. This is also great if you have tinted windows. I know it's hard to see when you back up at night with tinted windows. This should help out though. Okay, this other access cover is a little different than the driver's side. You have this knob here released, and this whole little section comes out, and then there you have access to the housing. Same thing, squeeze these two in, pull this out towards you. You have to kind of angle it towards you and pull it up and out. Just be careful. You'll see the reverse light bulb actually is holding me up down here against that trunk liner. There we go. Same thing here, guys. Just push this in, turn it to the left, release, set that aside, get our new bulb. Alright, and then do the same thing here. Push this in, turn it to the right. Alright. Get this back into position. Okay. Well, that's in. Take our cover, put this back on, and lock the latch there. Good. Okay, now let's go ahead and try both of these out and see what it looks like. Okay guys, there we go. Everything looks good. I'm pretty happy with it. I just can't wait to try it out at night. But it is much brighter. Even in the garage here, shining against the garage door, it really brightens it up. I know it's hard to tell on camera, but it's a lot brighter in person. But it looks pretty good. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you liked the video. Hit that thumbs up button. And please subscribe and check out all of my other Volkswagen videos. Take care guys. See ya.